Right, so today I'll be showing you how to screen mirror any iPhone to your MacBook Neo. Now, of course, if you use the iPhone mirroring application, that works for any iPhone that's on the same Apple ID as your MacBook Neo. But if you want to use any other iPhone to screen mirror to this Mac, you just go to that iPhone and then go to the screen mirroring option and your Mac should appear here. Now, as you can see, this MacBook is not appearing, this MacBook Neo. So what you need to do is go to settings on your MacBook Neo and then go to airdrop and continuity. Click on that. And then under AirPlay, you should see AirPlay receiver. Make sure that's turned on so that this MacBook can be an AirPlay receiver. And also allow AirPlay for it. So go here and say everyone. Now, once you say everyone, of course, you're going to have to put in your admin password. And then you're basically allowing everyone to AirPlay to this Mac. And once you set that up, you'll now notice that your MacBook is now appearing in the list of devices that you can screen mirror to. So now if I close this, it says this iPhone would like to AirPlay to this Mac. Just click on accept. It's going to be a code. And once you enter the code, there you go. So you can see this iPhone is now screen mirrored to the MacBook Neo. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.